So today we're gonna do some puzzles. Yeah. Don't mind me if it's bad or good something. Please don't bash me. Not today. But it's cool day. So go. So this one is like MotoGP, but now I think it's bad. So here it So this one is from Philippines or America like that or Indonesia. So it's like radar. Yeah, it's radar. So apparently I can do the jeepney from Philippines. It's jeepney or sarao. It's just the traditional transportation from the Philippines. So here it is. It's might be a little, so I gain just this. So this is apparently from the Philippines, like the air horn from a police car. So here. Toot, 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 toot. I can ground it like this. That's bad. The turbo is bad, but it's okay. So, Mr. Carsons, can you notice this?